Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Progressive Claim Submission with App Chat Support. Complete guide step by step. To activate Progressive Claim Submission with App Chat Support, start by opening the Progressive app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, locate the Claims section. Tap on Start a Claim to initiate the process. You will be prompted to select the type of claim you wish to submit. Choose the relevant category for your claim. After making your selection, provide details about the incident. Fill in the necessary fields, including date, time, and location of the incident. Next, you may be asked to upload any supporting documents or photos. Look for an option that indicates Chat with Support or Get Help. Tap on that option to connect with a chat representative. A chat window will open, allowing you to seek assistance. Explain your situation clearly to the representative. They will guide you through the claim submission process. If you encounter any issues, the representative can assist you in real time. Once your claim is fully submitted, you will receive confirmation via the app. Check for any follow-up messages from Progressive in the chat. Keep your chat window open for any immediate updates on your claim. If necessary, you can return to the chat for additional questions later. Your claim is now activated with App Chat Support, making the process seamless. Stay proactive and check updates through the app for the status of your claim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.